It's great to have you here. Let's get started on your SEO marketing strategy. Welcome. This channel is all about marketing strategies and the technologies and tactics that we can apply to our business to grow our business. Now, in the last video, I talked about content marketing strategies. You can catch the link right here. Take a look at it right now or wait till the end of this video, but I highly recommend you take a look at it because it can help support your SEO strategy. Now, when developing your SEO marketing strategy, it's important to understand the intent of the searcher. What is the searcher looking for, and how can you provide the information which will satisfy their question or need? So in other words, what would you type in Google to find the solution to what your product or service does for your customer? Now, I would stay away from industry jargon, and I really wouldn't worry too much about the name of your company. Ranking for the name of your company isn't really the goal of SEO, because the goal of SEO is to attract people who don't know you, not the people who do. However, if you do have a household brand name or industry brand name, you definitely want to make sure you are ranking at the top of the page because you don't want competitors taking advantage of your good name. Now, when researching your keywords, there are a number of tools available to you online. You can just search Google for a keyword tool. Google also has a keyword tool within their AdWords system, and you can also find sites such as keywordtool.io that can give you the information that will help you in terms of the volume and competition related to the keywords you're trying to rank for. When developing an SEO marketing strategy, it's important to understand your competition. That's why tools like Moz or Rosh are really good to help you understand what is going on out there. What is the competition like? How many links do they have pointing towards their website? So for example, if you only have 10 root domain links pointing to your website and your competition has thousands, you may have to reconsider the direction you want to go in terms of ranking. Now, if your website has 25 links and your competition has 35, well, you have a much better chance of catching up to them. Now, there are two strategies related to search engine optimization. There's on-page and off-page. Now, the video I was talking about before will help you with the on-page content development. The off-page is developing links and citations related to your keywords, your company, and brand. Now, you may be asking, what do I mean by citations? Citations are just mentions. Say the local newspaper online mentions your name. Well, Google makes note of that even if there's no link connected to your website. So my best recommendation for a business owner or an internal marketing team to develop links is to develop a high quality public relations campaign, which will ultimately earn you links to your website. When it comes to on-site SEO, it's all about keeping your website fresh and adding new pages. A blog is a good way to go, but you want to continuously add pages that add value to the website so people keep coming back. Add pages with case studies, add videos. If your website contains statistics and industry information, it's good for you to review it every 3 to 6 months to make sure all of your information is accurate, and this will encourage people to come back to your website, which is also very important in the eyes of Google. So if you're going to develop an SEO marketing strategy, you need to set some goals, such as how many new pieces of content are you going to put up on your website? How many blog posts? How many new pages? How many videos are you going to produce to add more value to the website over that year? You can also look quarterly in terms of your blog posts. How many blog posts are you going to upload every quarter? The key is to be consistent and regular and come up with new ideas. Now, if you have some really popular blog posts, don't be afraid to rewrite them. Increase the size of the blog posts to add more value. Once you have a good sense of the number of links that your competition has to their websites, make it a goal to outpace them by maybe 10, 20, or even 50%. It's important to understand what is success when it comes to an SEO marketing strategy. Now, obviously, more sales are the foundation of every kind of marketing strategy. But SEO, the focus of SEO is to drive more traffic. So I highly recommend you measure traffic, year over year traffic, to understand if your SEO is working. If you have a brand new website, hey, shoot for 50, 100, 200% growth. If your website is well established, maybe 20, 30, or 50% growth year over year. It is important to track where you rank based on your keywords. There are tools to help you, independent tools, so your reports aren't skewed by your location or using your personal browser. Also take a look at your Search Console, webmaster tools to many of us, and look and see how many impressions we're getting from Google. And hopefully over time that number increases, as well as the traffic to our websites. So the three things that I track for SEO success are impressions via Google Search Console, traffic via Google Analytics, and of course rankings in Google search results. So some people ask, why Google? Why not optimize for Bing and Yahoo too? Here's the thing. Google has 65 to 70% of the search traffic. And if you rank well on Google, chances are that will transfer over to Bing and Yahoo too. There are a lot of things you can do to support your SEO. Google has hundreds of search ranking signals. However, if you focus on developing really good content that people find valuable and then doing outreach and developing an excellent public relations campaign, those two things alone can really kick off your SEO marketing strategy. And if you stick with it over time, you will find SEO success. So what are some of your favorite tactics that you like to use in your SEO marketing strategy? I look forward to reading your answers in the comments below. Of course, if you found this video valuable, make sure you like it and share it with your friends. If you don't want to miss a future upload, be sure to subscribe.